Here is how to bot Instagram views in 2026. Let's begin. First, head over to Naizop.com using the link in the description below. Once you are there, just click login and use your Google account to get started immediately. Next, you need to add balance. Go to the deposit section. You can top up using your card, crypto, and several other options. It is fast and secure, so you can start growing your posts right away. Now go to new order. In the search bar, type Instagram views, then choose the first option. It only costs 5 cents per 1,000 views, which is incredibly cheap for this kind of speed. From here, just paste your Instagram post link. For this video, we are going to test this with 100 views. Type that in, tap order now, and that's it. The system starts working in the background immediately. Here's how it went and the views came in. I refreshed the page after a few minutes and you can already see the number climbing. It went from just a handful of views to our target almost instantly. If you want to try this Instagram view bot for yourself, head over to Naizop. It's one of the easiest ways to get that initial momentum on your posts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your socials in 2026.